Will time make my ex miss me or forget about me? Hello, guys, and welcome to Love Advice TV. My name is Alex Camont. I'm your relationship expert, and I want to talk about this very important topic because every time I do a coaching, I always say, time is your best friend. Time is your best friend. If you use time correctly, then you will increase immediately your chances of getting back together or making your ex regret losing you. But sometimes I know what you will tell me. Alex, I am scared. I'm scared that time will make my ex forget about me. I'm scared that with time, my ex would be able to move on. So that's why I want to express my feelings. That's why I want to talk about how much I love my ex. That's why I'm trying to rush the process. And when you rush the process, do you know what you're doing as a mistake? Do you know why is it so wrong? It's because you're not listening to your ex needs. Yes, you focus on the fact that you're not feeling great. Yes, you focus on the fact that you love your ex. Yes, you focus on the fact that you want to get a response. So you will act and act and act and act, even if you don't get any response. Even if you get a response that is not the one you were expecting for. And I coach an amazing woman from Sweden. She's just very obsessed about her ex. Even if she's doing things for herself, she can stop. She can stop trying to talk to him. She can stop trying to make him open his eyes. And every time I told her, look, you should take your time. Yeah, but I'm scared. So it's not easy. I get it. But what I want to tell you is what I told her. Then if you continue, you will really lose him forever. He will not be your friend. He will not be someone that you can text sometimes. He will not be your lover. He would be nothing because he would decide that you're not good for him. Listen to that, guys. If you don't take the time to connect with your ex needs, emotions, wish, they will always consider that you are not related to them. You cannot build any relationship, any fun, any chemistry. And the reason why it's because they will feel that they are not connected to you. So, will time make my ex miss me? Yes and no. Yes, usually. No, if they don't feel that you have not changed. So that's why we are not doing a long, in my philosophy, with me, Alex, I will never ask you to do a long no contact. I prefer that we wait 6 weeks, for example, but we try something. I prefer to try after 6 weeks than doing a no contact for 6 months straight. And I see it in your comments, guys. Hey, I've been doing no contact for 9 months. What? They will never miss you. It's too late. If you want them to miss you, they need to see that you're doing something different. They need to realize that your life is amazing. They need to consider that you are able to change. So, will time make my ex miss me? Yes. If they see that you have changed, if they're not coming to you, if they're not doing the first step, then you will have to do them. You will have to be the one creating new conversation. You will have to be the one reaching out to them, sometimes asking for a date. Yes, we do the first step sometimes, but we always give ourselves the chance to make your ex come to you. That is the step number 1. Now, if you tell me, Alex, do you think that time can make my ex forget about me? The answer is no. No. Why? Because as a human person, as a human being, we can't, it is not possible to forget our past relationships, to forget our past. If I'm asking you to forget about something in your past, you can't. It is part of you. So your ex will never be able to forget about you. And I found that with time, your ex will stop thinking about the negative side. They will not think about the problems. They will not think about the situation that was not good. They tend to let go of the negativity and enter in the positivity. So with time, they can really realize how good the connection was between the two of you. So you think that it would be the opposite, right? You think that time would create so much distance that your ex will not be able to connect with you, will not be able to be closer to you. And that's the reason why you will do the same mistake again and again. And of course, I'm here today to tell you time is always on your favor. But that doesn't mean that we cannot do the first actions. That doesn't mean that we cannot do the first step. That doesn't mean that we have to put your ex on a pedestal. No. And you will realize that the more you can do positive actions, the more you can be focused on yourself, the best it is. The best it is, guys. So I really want you to stay confident. I really want you to consider that time is on your side. And if you think it's too much time, let's just reach out to your ex. Too much time would be at least 4 weeks. At least 4 weeks. Then you can reach out to them. But the way you will reach out to them is what I call the reattraction process. Let me talk to you about the new things that I'm doing in my life. Let me talk to you about my new mindset, my new goals. I'm not bringing up the past. I'm not talking about the relationship. I'm not talking about the problems, etc. I'm really into, let's restart a great conversation. So what I want you to do right now, before I give you another piece of advice, I want you to smash the like button. I want you to subscribe to Love Advice TV because we are here for you. By subscribing, you will receive the videos in your mailbox, in your inbox, and you will be able to get access to the best advice to get your ex back. Simple as that. So, when you ask me, Alex, do you think that time basically will make my ex miss me or forget about me? The problem that I see here is a lack of self-confidence. I don't see that you're proud of the changes that you have made. I'm not sure that you're proud of your new image, your new mindset as well. So, time is basically an amplificator. So if you use time, you can amplify the fact that you have changed, the fact that you're different, the fact that you're confident, and that your ex should trust you. But the problem is, if you're waiting and just waiting and suffering, you will suffer more and more. So that's why I see so many people after a breakup, they are depressed, they are sad. It's because they let the time get the best of them. When everything increased, you know that you will have to change the actions of the recovery of yourself, of the personal development, and of course of the communication with your ex as well. But time is on your side. Time can only help you feel better, be better, and give yourself the opportunity to talk to your ex. So try to not count the days before you can reach out to your ex, for example. Try to use all of this time wisely so you can really improve yourself and feel better. The best way to improve yourself is to smash the like button, but also to subscribe to Love Advice TV. You will have a lot of videos that can really give you action tools. If you want to go further, just come on withmyexagain.com. You have the page coaching, where you can book a private coaching with Coach Adrian, Coach Abby, Priyanka, Coach Danny, myself. So I'm here for you guys. I'm really here for you. I really want to offer you my best. But time will be part of the process. So if you ask me, Alex, I want to get my ex back in the next 2 hours, I'm not sure I can help you because we will have to take a lot of risk. And that means that we can push your ex away. And of course, I want to avoid this. I want to make sure that we are such in a great positive mindset that everything changes immediately. So make sure that you will stay tuned. Make sure that you will come on withmyexagain.com. There is a lot of articles as well. And to grab your free resources in the description. I've done some private videos, private masterclass as well. So it's even longer. You can access to everything just if you click in the description box right below. I will see you soon, guys. Take good care of yourself. Bye-bye.